Howdy, howdy, howdy. I'm back with another standard, bluegrass standard. Dim lights, thick smoke, and loud, loud music. Written by Joe Maphis and his wife, Rosalie. And it's been recorded, it was initially recorded by Flatt and Scruggs and the Foggy Mountain Boys in 1952. And the banjo solo I have arranged here is kind of based on their version about their speed. You know, other people have done it. It went into country music. It went into kind of a country rock, bluegrass, the Flying Burrito Brothers. And so I've got it in the key of G. And there's a couple of new things that I haven't covered in my previous lessons. And one of them is this lead-in that's often used, lead-in notes. So this, before the actual first beat of the song. But actually the words go, dim lights, thick smoke, and loud, loud music is the only kind of life you'll ever understand. So, dim lights, you'll see that in the tab, which I'm going to post after I explain things a bit. You'll see this on the tab. Two notes together, first and second strings open. Then you fret the second string at the first fret. Then at second string, second fret. Now, because I've got a slide here, second to third fret. I think slides are easier to start with than hammer-ons. So I use slides here for those of you who haven't done hammer-ons yet. So then you slide into that third fret from the second, on the second string. As soon as you get to the third fret, you strike the first string open. And the two of them take up the time duration of 2/8 notes. So that's the very beginning. The other slide we have in the second complete measure is the common 2 to 3 slide on the third string. Again, 2 to 3 slide on the third. So when you get up to the third fret, you play the second string open. Going on. The C is the normal C here on this. Then back to that same, like the opening. Slide in the third string. Slide in the third string again. We're going to that, what I call the 2/4 partial D. Second fret, third string, fourth fret, fourth string. That one. Then, same thing. C. Same slide, then. that last time I slide, I don't hit the first string. I kind of really emphasize that. That's the third last measure, you'll see. You'll see that slide 2 to 3 on the second string, but I don't have the first string open on the tab. How long does it take to tune the banjo? Nobody knows. Nobody's ever done it. So many overtones, and all it takes is a bit of difference in temperature, difference in humidity, or a breeze. And it's that little thin head we have. And it's so thin, right? It's just sensitive. So that's it for the explanation. Just that slide, lead in. You'll notice I do, when I do 2nd fret, 2nd string, I do my ring finger because I want it to slide. And I want my middle finger available to do the slide on 3rd string, which is in the 2nd complete measure. So here comes that 3rd string. That's why I use the ring finger on that slide. Often, well, I won't get into later on, you'll start doing it differently, but with a hammer-on. But for now, let's stick with slides. Okay, so that's it. It's a common bluegrass song, comes up at jams all the time. And this is a complete solo that's jam ready. You can, if it comes up in a jam and you want to play a solo and you've got it down, play it, it'll sound great. Somebody wants to do it in A, let's look at different keys here and how to capo. Where's my capo? Here's my capo. I got a little page here, page capo. What if a singer at a jam wants to lead it in the key of B? And you go, huh? Well, we're in G now. You learn it in G. If you capo at the 2nd fret, you will be in A. G, 1st fret is G sharp. In music, the letters are A, B, C, D, E, F, G. At G, you don't go to H, you go back to A. So G is open, what we learned here. 1st fret would be G sharp or A flat. A, 2nd fret. Well, where's B? It's the next letter. But we have an A sharp or a B flat, same thing, A sharp, B flat, at the 3rd fret. So if that person wants to sing it in B, you're at the 4th fret. Capo at the 4th fret, right? And then correspondingly, raise your 5th string 4 frets also. So you might have railroads, those little railroad spikes you hook the 5th string behind. Or some banjos have sliding capo. And if you don't have the spikes or the capo, I suggest you get them put in by a luthier. Somebody knows how to do these spikes. They can be placed in the wrong spot sometimes. So read up on it. There's lots of videos about this too. So if you want to do it yourself, but have it ready here for your 5th string to capo up 2, 3, 4, 5 frets, and then you're all set. So that's it about capos. For now, we learned it in G, which is open. All right, good luck. I'm going to post the tab, right? And just take a screenshot of the tab, and then you can follow along on my video of me playing it. You can slow it right down on YouTube, half speed, quarter speed. You'll follow right along with the tab. Again, I repeat, rinse and repeat. The tab, you see it. The tab tells you what string, what fret, or if it's open on that string. Your brain tells you that. When you start practicing it, your brain tells you what to do with your fingers. And this is how we learn, by tab anyway. All right, good luck. See you next time.
Oh, yeah.